Hey guys, this is A for iOS Hacker. Today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the Pitaka Carbon Fiber watch band and Pitaka Air case for the Apple Watch. Let's start the unboxing with the Air case. The case comes in this easy to open packaging, and inside we can find the case itself along with some reading material. You also get a quick start guide that shows you how to put the case on your Apple Watch. We will show you how to do this the right way later in this video. But first, let's take a look at the star of the show, the Pitaka Carbon Fiber watch band. The band we are reviewing today is the modern version, while you can also get the retro edition from Pitaka's website. While unboxing these products, I can't help but notice that both the Air case and Carbon Fiber watch band come in really nice packaging. Let's take the band out of the case. Right off the bat, I can feel that the carbon fiber texture of the watch band feels very premium and is really nice to touch. With the band, you get a resizing tool that lets you add or remove links from the band. You also get 2 extra band links inside the box that can be used to make the band size larger in case you have a larger wrist size. The band features a magnetic clasp with a security lock. This ensures the band stays safely in place until you open it by pressing the buttons on both sides of the band. The band itself looks really cool, and I am already a big fan of the carbon fiber texture on it. By the way guys, if you're enjoying the video so far, then do hit the like and subscribe buttons for more product reviews and iOS tips and tricks. Now let's take the Pitaka Air case and add it to the Apple Watch. It is very easy to insert the watch into the case. When you are putting the case on the watch, make sure you place the digital crown in first, and then gently press the other side of the watch towards the case. Once you have properly inserted the watch casing, it should look and feel snug. After adding the case to the Apple Watch, I can safely say that it does not add any extra bulk or weight to the watch, which is a good sign. Next, let's add the carbon fiber watch band to the watch. It is extremely easy to attach this band to the watch. Just make sure you are inserting it from the right side when you have the Air case on. Unhooking the band should also help in making the process more convenient. Now finally, it is time to try the watch on. Wearing the watch with this band is very easy, thanks to the magnetic clasp that quickly attaches to the other side when you bring both sides close. After using the watch band for a few days and trying it out with different outfits, I have to say that I am a huge fan of its design, comfort and overall looks. The carbon fiber aesthetic gives the Apple Watch a completely new look and feel. Pair that with the carbon fiber Air case and you feel like you're wearing a totally different watch. In fact, you can hardly tell the color of my Apple Watch, which is blue by the way in case you were wondering. The band looks fantastic on the wrist and goes with any outfit that you throw at it. It looks subtle while also looking stylish and tough on the wrist. I have worn this band for extended periods of time while running, at the gym, with formal and informal clothing, and I didn't feel the need to swap this band for another one. I am thoroughly happy with the Pitaka Carbon Fiber watch band, and surprisingly I am also a big fan of the Air case. It is surprising because I personally do not like Apple Watch cases. However, this one feels different thanks to its thin design that almost feels like you don't even have a case on your Apple Watch, which is great for people like me. Using the Air case is necessary for users who want to use the carbon fiber watch band with their Apple Watch, because unless you have a space gray Apple Watch, the watch band would not look that great without the carbon fiber Air case. You can buy the Pitaka Carbon Fiber modern watch band for $89, whereas the Pitaka Air case is available separately for $39. Links to both products are given in the description of this video. So what do you think about this watch band and case? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. This was Zay for iOS Hacker, and I will catch you in our next video.